Think about the skin on your head for a second. It is essentially just an extension of the skin on your face, yet we often treat it like a total afterthought. We spend a fortune on serums for our cheeks, but leave our hair follicles to fend for themselves in a desert of dry shampoo and hard water. I've been looking at a specific scalp boosting ampoule that wants to flip that script by making scalp care feel less like a chore and more like a high-tech ritual. The first thing that jumps out is the delivery system. Most serums use those glass droppers that make it impossible to reach the skin without turning your hair into a greasy mess. This one uses a built-in brush with nearly 40 precision tips. It is curved to fit the shape of your head. You just glide it along the scalp after you wash your hair. It puts the liquid exactly where it needs to go. This design is a game changer for people with thick hair who can never seem to get products down to the root. The formula inside is packed with ingredients like biotin, caffeine, and peptides. These are the ingredients we usually see in high-end skincare. It also features things like tea tree and menthol to give you that immediate cooling hit. If you enjoy that tingly fresh sensation, this is going to feel incredible after a hot shower. However, we have to talk about the ingredients more closely. There is a significant amount of denatured alcohol in this formula. For some, that helps the serum dry quickly and feel weightless. For others with very sensitive or dry skin, it might be a bit too much. You have to know your own skin before you commit to using this every single day. One thing I really appreciate is the honesty from the brand. They are not out here claiming to be a medical cure for genetic hair loss. They explicitly state there is no pharmaceutical drug in the bottle. This is a cosmetic tool. It is about maintenance, hydration, and balance. They put out some bold numbers from their testing though. They reported a 74% decrease in hair shedding and a huge drop in visible flakes. Those are impressive stats, but individual results are always a roll of the dice. Your scalp health depends on so many factors like diet, stress, and even the water in your shower. Using a serum like this is about creating the best possible environment for your hair to thrive. It focuses on clearing out the dandruff and keeping the skin hydrated. The convenience of a mess-free applicator cannot be overstated. You can target your hairline or the crown of your head without any dripping. It feels hygienic and precise. If you are looking to level up your routine beyond just basic shampoo, this kind of targeted ampoule is a fascinating option. It treats the scalp as the foundation for everything else. Just keep an eye on how your skin reacts to the cooling agents. It is a specialized approach for anyone tired of the standard routine. It is about giving your hair roots the same level of attention you give your forehead. It simplifies the process of getting those nutrients exactly where they can do the most work. By turning the applicator off and on, you control the flow perfectly. It is a thoughtful design for a part of the body that usually gets the short end of the stick. Taking care of the base is the only way to ensure the rest looks good.